Welcome! Today, we're diving into a simple yet often overlooked feature on Instagram: how to like a story from a highlight. This updated guide will walk you through the steps to easily engage with your favorite stories. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged into your account. The app's interface is user-friendly, so you should find it easy to navigate. Next, enter the profile that contains the story you want to like. You can do this by either searching for the username in the search bar or clicking on their profile if you see their posts in your feed. Once you're on their profile page, take a moment to look around. Now, under their bio, find the highlight section. Highlights are those circular icons just below the bio, showcasing saved stories from that user. Tap on the highlight that interests you. This will open up a collection of stories they've chosen to feature. Once you're in the highlight, find the specific story you want to like. Scroll through the stories until you find one that catches your eye. When you've located it, click on it to view it in full screen. Finally, click on the like icon. This is typically represented by a heart symbol at the bottom of the screen. Tapping this icon will send your appreciation for that story directly to the user. They'll be notified of your like, which can help foster engagement and connection. And there you have it. Liking a story from a highlight on Instagram is quick and straightforward. By following these steps, you're not only showing support for your friends or favorite creators, but also enhancing your social media experience. Remember, engaging with others is what social media is all about. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with friends who might also want to learn how to interact with Instagram highlights more effectively. Happy Instagramming!